Check this out. If I press Shift Space in this new Resolve version 20.1, they have added this search menu. So now I can search something and it will immediately place it on the timeline. If I select that clip, then I can add any effect to it. Isn't that cool? But there is a problem. Let's say I want an adjustment clip. So if I typed it and press enter, it doesn't give me the adjustment clip. I have to use the arrow key to go down and then I can hit enter to get the adjustment clip. If you remember, in the Fusion tab, if I try to do the same thing, it automatically selects the first match, and when I press enter, it will add that to our note area. And I think it would be very helpful to add the same functionality in the edit page, so that we can quickly find something and just hit enter and it should get the first result. It's a minor thing, but I think it will improve the efficiency quite a lot. So that one I would recommend to Blackmagic. By the way, do you know we also got this guides? Go here at the top, then turn on this ruler and guides, and then you can use the guides. Overall, I would say this is a wonderful update.